I'm going to quickly show you how to drop the glove box and replace your cabin air filter. If you try to find this information on the forum, you may run to the douchery part of the Evo community. The glove box will likely give you the most trouble if you aren't working in a well-lit area because it's easy to miss this tab on the left side. You simply pop that out, squeeze in the right side to clear the stopper in the back, and the glove box drops straight down, which gives you access to the filter behind it. For 2003 owners, your car came from the factory without a cabin filter installed, so unless a previous owner did this already, you will have a blank plastic cover here where you will have to cut it out on your own. I suggest using a precision knife since it is traced out already. Everyone else, you just unscrew and remove the old filter, clean up the debris, and slide the new one right back in. If you are on the East Coast, I recommend buying the replacement filter from Extreme PSI since they ship out the same day. If you learned something useful from this video today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.